So ito yung bagong handog sa atin ng Sure Access Fiber eSIM. So ipapaliwanag sa atin guys ni Miss Christine kung ano tong bagong good news nila para sa atin lahat. So Miss Christine, can you share to us about this new Fiber eSIM from Sure Access?
Yan. Hello everyone! I just wanted to share a good news for you with the latest technology of Sure Access. So, ano nga ba ang function ni Fiber eSIM? Para sa mga traveler like me na nandito ngayon sa Japan, I'd like to get an eSIM for a cheaper and safer and less hassle na paggamit ng data. Pero ano nga ba ang problema natin ngayon? Ang problema ng ibang traveler, yung cellphone nila is hindi compatible with eSIM, kaya ito na ang solusyon sa inyo. Ang Fiber eSIM ay matutulungan ng cellphone nyo, any model, old phone model, para maging compatible with eSIM. And with that, pwede ka na mag-avail ng eSIM, unlimited downloads, kahit saang country makakabili ka.
Ang ganda pala niyan. Paano naman yan gagamitin?
So, ganito. Insert mo tong Fiber eSIM sa cellphone nyo. Yan. Try-cut na to. So, any SIM slot ng SIM card nyo, pwede siyang i-insert. And then, you just need to download their application. This one. Scan nyo lang tong QR code dito para ma-download nyo yung Fiber app. Yeah, sobrang dali lang. With 3 easy steps, makakagamit ka na ng Fiber eSIM. So, number 1, insert your Fiber eSIM card to your phone. So, kailangan lang natin insert to sa loob ng mobile phone natin. And then, step 2, download the Fiber app. Ang Fiber app is available to Android devices. Ito siya. Ayan, download nyo lang yan. And then, step 3 is download your eSIM. Dito ka na magda-download ng eSIM. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung function ng app and paano mag-register. Ayan. Pagka-open nyo ng Fiber app, makikita nyo to para ma-check yung compatibility ng eSIM nyo. So, itong cellphone ko is Xiaomi and compatible siya with Fiber SIM card. Ibig sabihin, pwede akong maggamit ng Fiber SIM and mag-install ng eSIM sa phone. And by the way, here are the models that supports by Fiber eSIM. Samsung, Google Pixel, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, OnePlus, Realme, Vivo, and even iPhone na hindi compatible with eSIM.
Ang ganda pala, no? Ang dami palang phones na pwede gamitin yung eSIM.
Yes, and you just need to take note na kapag gagamit kayo ng Fiber SIM sa iPhone nyo, set up nyo muna sa Android before i-insert sa iPhone. Okay, so once na successfully downloaded nyo na yung Fiber app, na set up nyo na sa application, pwede ka nang bumili ng eSIM sa Sure Access. So you just need to scan this QR code sa flyers nila. Ayan. O kaya pumunta kayo sa mismong website, sureaccesscpe.com. At ngayon guys, ang gamit ko ay 10GB 30 days to Japan and I've been here for 2 weeks and a half at hanggang ngayon ito pa rin yung gamit ko. Ang tagal niya maubos, ang mura niya at saka napakabilis, very reliable. Anywhere in Japan, mabilis siyang gamitin. Ito yung price niya for 10GB 30 days, 823 pesos and 81 cents. If you want to check the dollar price, $14 only. And then, napaka-convenient din ng payment method niya. Meron silang GCash, Paymaya, BPI, Union Bank, RCBC. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng debit or credit card mo. Sa pagbili nito, you just need to click this buy now. Kung gusto niyo gumamit ng payment via GCash, here are the steps. You just need to click buy now. And then, kailangan mo lang i-enter dyan yung name mo. And then, click mo lang tong GCash for your payment method. Yung email na nakalagay dito, dun mo marireceive yung confirmation email for the QR code. Just need to click continue checkout. And by the way guys, for additional information, if you are using a mobile phone like this iPhone that has already an eSIM, you just need to go to your settings. Ayan. And then, click nyo lang tong cellular. Then, pag nakita nyo dyan, may add eSIM, pwede na kayo bumili directly sa Sure Access website, and then add nyo lang dito at scan nyo na yung QR code para ma-install na yung eSIM nyo. And if hindi naman kayo compatible with eSIM, you can use the Fiber eSIM para maging compatible yung Android phones nyo sa eSIM at makabibili kayo ng cheaper data plans para sa inyong travel.
So ang ganda pala nitong Fiber eSIM. Yung tanong nito, magkano naman nito?
Yes, very good question. This is the cheapest price for eSIM SIM card. For only 1,500 pesos or $25, makakabili ka na. And Sure Access is the official distributor in the Philippines and in Japan. So, kung gusto nyo mag-order, pwede kayo magpa-deliver within the day sa Metro Manila. Or kung gusto nyo naman, available din siya sa Shopee, Lazada, and Amazon. For more information, guys, you just need to contact Sure Access through their Facebook. They are 24/7 there, and you can also send them on email, visit them at Times Plaza Building, Ermita, Manila in the Philippines, or you can contact them through their mobile numbers. Ayan. And by the way, guys, lastly, Sure Access eSIM right now is on website, but sooner they will have an official application for eSIM that will have an easier, more convenient, and efficient buying of eSIM.
So, thank you, Miss Christine. So, here you go, guys. The new Fiber eSIM from Sure Access. So, very easy and convenient to use, guys. So, check this out. So, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye!
Bye!